what can we do?
So I'm gonna take and buy 250 shares of HUT.
Okay.
I'm going to buy a put to or puts to cover the 250 for 6 months. And then what I have left
Got
over,
it.
I'm going to put in the VOO.
Okay. Anything else?
Um,
It's okay if that's
yes, I'm
all.
going to
I just want to
figure,
make sure.
I don't know about this part yet, how to do it, but I want to start a business that would cover what I'm doing with my options so that I can start writing things off.
Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, yeah. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay, um, so your strategy is one where you wanna do the options thing. You wanna use HUT, I assume, to generate some income from selling the options, maybe. Is
Yes,
that accurate? Okay.
yes.
So you're gonna sell some options on HUT, and let's see here. Let's see how much we can spend if we wanted to buy 250 shares of HUT. And I like the fact that you picked 250 shares because that's important instead of 200. Okay, so
Right.
HUT is $23 a share. So for 250, you got it will cost $5,775. So if you sold that as a weekly put option or call option, excuse me, you could sell a call option with a strike price of $24 for 69 cents. And on a weekly basis, it would generate a little bit of income. Let me see, 69, about $128 in a week per week. If you did the liquid landlord strategy, you go out a month, you could pick a strike of 24 and you could sell those two contracts and generate $400 a month in income. Good for you. Way to go. Nice job. And then you buy your puts to protect yourself on the downside. And so you got an income machine there. That's good. It's a good start. And then you mentioned putting money in the long-term investment in VOO. Well, that's good because you're well diversified and you've got a long-term investment plan. And then you mentioned starting a business. And I like what you said about starting the business because these entities, the LLCs, allow you for tax write-offs, which allow you to protect your income. So you then are able to write off any losses, write off a lot of expenses, and keep your tax bill down as you build your wealth because you are smart enough to know that most rich people don't pay nearly as much in taxes as working people. America's tax structure is
Yes,
set
I
up where
took the
working.
class.
Yes, you did. Oh, you did. You Larissa Humphreys
Yes,
class?
yes,
Good. Yeah, how to pay zero taxes. Yeah. And yeah, Larissa knows what she's talking about. And so these entities are really important. I encourage you to look at your family as an entity, because you're building something that's going to last 50 years, 100 years or longer. So when you set these up, you really want to sort of become familiar with the basics in terms of things that can be written off legally and how to shelter your income. Okay, so I like this strategy a lot. I would say that some other things to consider might be diversification away from the stock market a little bit, because the stock market's a nice wealth driver, but it can be risky, right? And HUT is on the risky side too of the spectrum. HUT's a stock that's had a lot of ups and downs, and right now it's trading at $23 a share. I've seen HUT trade at $8 or $9 a share. So the puts do protect some of your investment, and then also having money in VOO kind of allows you to have exposure to something that's a little less volatile. And then maybe looking into ways to have a real estate strategy in your family. I think real estate's really a great investment because you can live in it and enjoy it. Like the house I'm in now, our house in Atlanta, it's an investment, sure, but I'm not even thinking about the money when I'm here. I just think about the fact that I like this house. I like being here. Or if I when we were landlords, I like the fact that we got the income from letting someone else live here. So I would throw that in there. And then also you mentioned the LLC with the business.